already have the ColourPop Alice in Wonderland collection, the Lost in Wonderland palette, the shadow sticks, all of that, you can still do the ColourPop Alice in Wonderland look. That's right, even if you don't have it. Now, if that was going to be your first palette, this method won't work. But if you're a makeup lover and already have some eyeshadows, chances are you have a lot of dupes. For instance, I'm going to use these two Sydney Grace palettes, and they seem not to have the exact same colors, but let's take a closer look. The shade Stark Raving Matte is going to be duped by Borealis here, and let's put this in the outer corner on the upper lid right here with a big fluffy brush so that it's easier to blend and saves a lot of time. For the shade Curious and Curiouser, we are going to use a mix of gloss over right here. By the way, if you do have the palette, let this just be your tutorial. I'm naming all the shades. And the second shade in the mix is going to be Aurora. And we will kind of overlap them a little bit to get that periwinkle in the mix. Look at this periwinkle transition. For the lower lid, let's go with some Cheshire Cat vibes and dupe the shade Lose Something with Orion Nebula. To dupe the Cheshire shade AEIOU, let's use the Celestial Bloom first. So I feel like the one in the palette is lighter, so we will use a little bit of Aurora on top, especially in the inner corner. Let's dupe the ColourPop Alice in Wonderland shadow sticks. This one is not all there, consisting of two, because I don't have a darker metallic magenta, and these eyeshadow sticks can be sharpened, so the ColourPop shadow sticks can actually be used as eyeliners. Oh, this is Baby Bad Beauty Unrequited Love. As soon as it sets a little bit, apply the pink metallic Urban Decay Woodstock to give it that metallic shine. Okay, for T, we'll use the Pupa Milano Multiplay eye pencil and apply it right here in the middle of the lid. And for Full of Wonder, use the NYX Epic Wear liner stick in Periwinkle Pop. They don't have a mascara there, so just use whichever you want. ColourPop itself does have a lot of colorful mascaras where you can choose. For the lipsticks, let's not use the same boring Breslin in like every second collection. Let's use a Periwinkle instead. This blue lipstick is Fenty Beauty at Dig, and we will do a lip duo ourselves with the Lion Crown Diamond Crusher. Now, this is an oldie, but you can just use any pink sparkle lip gloss or even a liquid eyeshadow. If you're not too sensitive to that, you can actually use liquid eyeshadow on top of the lipstick. This is not a medical recommendation though, so test it first. Does this look scream ColourPop Alice in Wonderland? I feel like it does scream ColourPop Alice in Wonderland, but it does not scream Alice in Wonderland itself. If you want the actual Disney Alice in Wonderland look, let me know in the comments.